Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're solving the definite integral from 0 to pi forwards of 1 minus sine square of theta over the cosine square of theta d theta. At first sight, this problem could look a little intimidating, but let's first, before we start, let's remember the definition that we have of the definite integral, the integral from a to b of f of x dx is equivalent to the original function evaluated on b minus the original function evaluated on a. Okay, so now 1 minus sine square of theta. Let's remember that the sine square, the sine square of theta plus the cosine square of theta is equals to 1. Therefore, if we subtract sine square of theta, this is equivalent of just cosine square of theta equals to 1 minus sine square of theta. So we could easily replace that in our integral. So this will be the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of 1 minus sine square of theta is just cosine square of theta divided by the same cosine square of theta d theta. And cosine square of theta divided by cosine square of theta, that cancels out, and that's just 1. So we have 0 to pi over 4 of d theta, which is basically the integral of 1. And this should be just theta, evaluated from 0 to pi over 4. Therefore, our answer should be the function evaluated on pi over 4 minus the function evaluated on 0, which will result just in pi over 4 because there is nothing to truly evaluate on 0, will be the same pi over 4 minus 0, which is just pi over 4. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember, send your questions, subscribe to our channel, and we will be happy to help.